Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on the spin edge and the edge actions of ZModeler. So ZModeler brush can be accessed from the brush palette here, or I can press B, Z and M. And once that is picked, you can select, you can hold the cursor on the edge and then hit spacebar and then choose spin. You have only one target, which is the edge, and there are no modifiers. So spin edge is a very useful tool when we are fixing the topology. We are facing problem with cleaning up the wireframe or wire flow. So just clicking one particular edge, the line which was connected with these 2 points now rotated so that it has connected to the next 2 points. And you can constantly do that to fix the flow. And then it can be generally a great help in terms of fixing the flow. You can hold Alt to do the opposite way. Like when I'm clicking this is rotating counterclockwise, but when I hold Alt, it's going to rotate in the clockwise direction. So that's what spin edge tool is about. If you have any other suggestions and if you got any questions related to this tool, let me know in the comment section. And I request you to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.